I'm Dustin Atlas, also known as Night Panda. Welcome to my studio. I'm a songwriter and producer who's had my songs used by everyone from Apple, Google, Target and Taco Bell, to Netflix, Disney, Amazon Prime, Xbox, NFL, NCAA, FIFA, every major TV network, and a whole lot more. Using TV, trailer, and ad placements, I've been able to grow my artist project to 50 million streams with no record label, and my songs have been Shazammed by over 500,000 fans. In this class, I'm going to teach you how to make a unique song that stands out with a high chance of landing sync placements that you can use to build your artist project. I'll be bringing you into my studio so you can see my process every step of the way, start to finish. Along the way, I'll cover everything from songwriting to sound selection, drum processing, arrangement, and even mixing it so that it sounds right when set to motion picture. By the end of the class, you'll know everything you need to make a unique song that can land great sync placements to get the exposure you want as an artist. Whether you're a producer, writer, or artist, if you want to land TV placements, this class is for you. So come join me, Dustin Atlas, for this learning experience inside my studio.